What is up, ladies and gents? Currently, right now, it's 1:19 in the morning, September 8th, Monday. Now it's pre-London session, and we have our pairs that we are interested for this week. And we're gonna start up on our serious lookout that are very, very serious that we are keeping an eye out. And the first one is EUR GBP. EUR GBP, it's bullish. Daily time frame is bullish, and 4 hour time frame is currently right now bullish. So on this strategy that I have on this one, we don't have a psychological level, and I'm seeing a inverted left head right shoulder. So currently right now we are retesting on this neckline. So we're just pretty much waiting for this price action to give us a shape of structure and reject. So yeah. And on the lower time frame, we are also seeing a inverted left head right shoulder. So we're just gonna wait for this price action to give us a rejection, entry signal, and go to the upside. But right now we are just waiting for pretty much an entry signal because we already shifted to the upside. So we just need a entry signal. Next one is AUD USD. Weekly time frame is bullish. Daily time frame is bullish, and 4 hour time frame is also bullish. And we are seeing a inverted left head right shoulder. Currently right now, price action giving us a rejection on this area. So what I want to happen is give us a rejection and entry signal. But currently right now, price action is already playing and going to the upside. So we're just pretty much waiting for this price to have a pullback right here, rejection, and give us an entry signal. GBP, AUD, same thing, it's already going in our favor. Weekly time frame is bearish. Daily time frame is also bearish. And 4 hour time frame is bearish. So we're just waiting for this price to give us a pullback, rejection, and go to the downside. Next one is AUD CHF. Weekly time frame is bearish. Daily time frame is bearish. And 4 hour time frame is bullish. So what I like about this one is that weekly time frame is bearish, and going down to the daily time frame, we're seeing a left head right shoulder, and currently right now we are rejecting in this right shoulder right here. And going down to the lower time frame, we don't have a shape of structure, but what I wanted to happen is give us a pullback on this area and go to the downside. USD CHF, we are seeing a left head right shoulder. We just needed for this price to give us a rejection, entry signal, and go to the downside. CAD CHF, we need a pullback and retest on this neckline. USD CHF, weekly time frame is bearish, and daily time frame is bearish, and 4 hour time frame is bearish. So we just want for this price action to give us a pullback, retest, and go to the downside. We did have a pullback on this area. So right now, price action is going back on this area of interest. So once price action shifted to the downside, then I'll be interested for sell opportunity. Same thing over here. Weekly time frame is bearish. Daily time frame is bearish, and 4 hour time frame is also bearish. Maybe give us a shape of structure to the downside and having the EMA above an hour candle, then I'll be interested. But for now, we are not interested. This one right here, AUDJPY, weekly time frame is bearish. Daily time frame is bullish, and yeah, not interested. GBP CHF, weekly time frame is bearish. Daily time frame is bullish, and 4 hour time frame is bearish. I'm just waiting for this price action to give us a pullback, rejection, and go to the downside. That's what I want on this pair right here. But for now, This is a very high risk trade that we don't have a time frame in sync. So this one is a very high risk trade. We're just pretty much relying on the lower time frame. This one right here, I was very interested for sell opportunity. While having a pullback, we were interested for sell opportunity. Sell opportunity. You guys can see here that we have a previous structure point right here. We just wanted for this price to give us a pullback to for us to continue to go to the upside. Currently, right now, price action already down right there. It's like on the way in our area of interest. So I'll be interested once price action to have a rejection in this area of interest, then I'll be looking for a buy opportunity. Next one is AUDZ and AUDNZD. Same thing over here. Very interested. Looks like this one is also ready. I was very interested for this one to go to the upside, but we wanted for this price to give us a pullback first in order for us to go to the upside. As you can see that whenever we're below we sell, below we sell, below we sell, now we're above it. In order for us to bounce to the upside, we just need for this price action to bounce on this area of interest to continue to the upside. So AUD and CD, same thing. We just wanted for this price to give us a pullback on this area and continue for us to go to the upside. And as you can see that this is our area of interest. Whenever we're below we sell, below we sell, below we sell. Now we're above it. In order for us to continue to go to the upside, we just need for this price action to give us a retracement, rejection, and go to the upside. But right now, price action is now below in our area of interest where I'm interested for sell opportunity while taking advantage of the pullback. So we have entered on this trade already. Shorts, we're trying to target a quick 2R multiple on this trade. And I'm very confident that this one will go to the downside. So yeah guys, that will be it for this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. So peace out. Ladies and gents, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday, blessed Monday. As you guys know, last night we were looking for this pair to go to the downside for us to look for buy opportunity. Right now, while we are having a pullback, we took advantage of the sell opportunity. Like I said, guys, I literally recorded myself last night. I'm gonna be connected the previous video to here. As you guys know, looking down to the lower time frame, we have shifted to the downside already. So we decided to enter on this bearish engulfing right here and having the stop loss being above on this previous structure point and being above on this EMA. And we just closed this trade. We really closed this trade around like 1.8R multiple because I don't see this price action is going here on this area of interest on this previous structure point right here. I don't see anything going in there because looking down to the lower time frame, it's been rejecting on this area of interest. It rejected like 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why I just closed the trade before it even go to the upside. And other than that, yeah, we closed it around 1.8R multiple. It's $800. We're up $800, so 0.8R multiple. So yeah, that's what we have on this AUDNCD. Next one is EUR GBP. I'm not sure if this one is ready for London session tonight. As you can see that we're seeing a ugly inverted left head right shoulder. Right now we break above on this neckline, retesting the neckline, and we're just now rejecting it. We just need for this one to give us a shape of structure, very clean shape of structure. Then I'll be interested for buy opportunity. So maybe when price action break above in this area, maybe when it's break above, retest, and then I'll be interested for buy opportunity. Why? It's because just to give us 100% confirmation. Because if I entered in this area, then like price action has been in the same spot like when? Like since last week of Wednesday. So once they break above, retest in this area, then I'll be interested for buy opportunity. Next one is AUD USD. I was very interested for buy opportunity on this pair, but currently right now it's going in our favor, so we're not interested on this one. If we were in this trade, we could have been up like 1.4 or multiple. Next one is GBP AUD. You guys can see it. It's very nice. It's going in our favor, but we just wanted for this price action to give us a retracement on this area, a retracement, and go to the downside. AUD trap looks like it's already playing out, because looking down to the daily time frame, we're seeing a left head, right shoulder, and we already shifted to the 4-hour time frame. And right now, it didn't give us a entry signal for us to enter this trade. Yeah, it did, but it's not like a clean shape of structure to the downside before it gave us entry signal. Is right now currently going to the downside. Not interested unless price action give us a retracement and head to the downside. USDC a trap. We're still waiting for this price action to come to the area of interest, rejection, then go to the downside. Can't see a trap. It's not giving us a retracement. So yeah, it's dumping to the downside right now. So I'm not interested. Same thing on the USDC trap. Not interested. NZD USD, I was interested for this one for sell opportunity. So if this price action close above, then we're gonna be interested for buy opportunity. But before that, we just wanted for this price action to give us a retracement. But looks like right now we're going to head to the upside. GBP trap, very interested when price action give us a retracement to the upside. Then I'll be interested for sell opportunity. EUR NCD, as you guys know, I was taking advantage of the pullback, and before it even happened, it already played out as soon as the market opens. So I was looking for a sell opportunity for us to look for buy opportunity. So currently right now it went to the downside, so I'm not interested unless we go to the upside, retest, and then I'll be interested for buy opportunity. So yeah guys, other than that, that's pretty much it that we have, and we took a W's on these trades. I wish we can target 2R, but I don't see this price action to go to the downside more, so I just decided to close it, or we will see later what happens. Other than that guys, and I'll see you guys to the next one. Peace out. Ladies and gents, as you guys know, right now it's 4:46 in the afternoon, September 11th. As you guys know, this week we only took two trades in the same pair, which is the AUD and CD. As you guys can see, as soon as the market opens on Sunday, Sunday or Monday? Oh, it's Monday. We took a trade on this area of interest where I was interested for sell opportunity on this area. As you guys can see that we shifted to the downside right away on this shape of structure, and I put this one right here in this area where I was interested for to enter this trade. You guys can see that whenever we're below we sell, we buys, above we buys, and now when the price action was present over here, we were below it. I was really waiting for this price action to have a retest around this area, like before I even enter. Like I was waiting for a retest on that side, then go to the downside. But I decided to just enter right away because I'm seeing a enter signal around this area, so I decided to enter this bearish engulfing, and stop loss being above on this previous structure point right here. And being above the EMA. And we decided to close this trade around the 1.8R multiple because I don't see this price action going to the downside even more, because going down to the 30 minutes time frame, we can see that it's been rejecting on the area of interest. So that's why I decided to close the trade. And literally price action started going to the upside as soon as we closed the trade. And as you guys know, we were literally looking for this price action to the upside, and when the price action did the pullback on this area of interest, that's when I started looking for buy opportunity. So you guys can see here that we have shape of structure right here. You guys can see that this one say higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, This is literally our retracement on this previous structure point right here, and having the bullish engulfing entry signal on this area of interest. So I decided to enter this bullish engulfing and target around this area right here. We literally took home 3R multiple on this trade. Very, very nice. Yeah, I just literally closed this one around this morning out. I can't remember. And yeah, this is what we have on this pair on the AUD NZD. Next one is NZD USD. This one right here is a very, very high risk trade. This one is a high risk trade, and good thing I avoided last night and I almost entered this trade because I wanted for this price action to have a pullback on this area of interest, same thing as the AUD and ZD. I wanted the price action to have a pullback in order for us to look for a buy opportunity. So same thing here. I was looking for this price action to have a pullback to go to the upside, and going down to the lower time frame, we can see a beautiful left head, right shoulder, and price action is being below on this area. So going down to the lower time frame on the 30 minutes, it's already giving us a bearish engulfing, an entry signal. But the only thing that I don't like is that we don't have a proper pullback. So this one right here is I would say left head. This one's a left head, right shoulder, and it just continued going to the downside. But what I wanted to happen is that I wanted to have a left head, right shoulder, and then break below on this neckline and have a pullback. That's what I wanted to happen. But this pair didn't give us that, so that's why I didn't enter this trade. And good thing I fall asleep, you know. So I was literally waiting for this pullback. So when price action giving us a pullback, it literally like went to the upside, like straight up to the upside. So it's a good thing I avoid this loss. So I'm not interested on this pair. Sept JPY. As you guys know, I missed this trade. I was also looking for buy opportunity. Going down to the lower time frame, you guys literally can see that we have shifted to the downside already. And going down to the 15 minutes, it's already giving us a enter signal and having the EMA being above it. So if I were to enter this trade, this can literally be the easiest trade I've ever entered this week if I enter this trade. But we missed it. AUD and ZD, this one right here, I was literally interested for buy opportunity because on the lower time frame, we're seeing a inverted left head, right shoulder, and breaking above on this neckline and having a retracement. And you guys can see over here in the lower time frame, we also have the inverted left head, right shoulder, breaking above and having retracement on this neckline and going to the upside. I missed this trade. You guys can literally see on this first video, like when the video started, you can literally see I was looking for a buy opportunity. So if I were on this trade, I could have earned 3.26R multiple. But we missed it. That's okay. Move on to the next one. EUR GBP. I was very, very interested for buy opportunity on this area because on the lower time frame, we're seeing a inverted left head, right shoulder, pull back on the neckline, and I was just literally waiting for this price action to give me an entry signal. But price action didn't give us a entry signal because I was looking for this price to literally give us a clean and very safe shape of structure. So what I wanted to happen is that, you know, as you guys can see that we're being choppy over here. So to be more safe, I was looking for this price action to give us a break above on this area of interest and retracement. Then I'll be looking for buy opportunity on this area and head to the upside. But price action didn't give us that, so that's why I did not enter this trade. But if I were to enter this trade, that could have been a bad loss right here. So good thing we avoided that. GBP AUD, I was looking for this price action to literally give us a retracement, but price action didn't give us a retracement, so that's why I didn't enter this area. Very, very nice 3.5R multiple. AUD CHF, not really interested. I did not expect this price action will continue to the upside because looking down to the daily time frame, we're seeing a left head, right shoulder. I was expecting for this price action to go to the downside, but it didn't give us a very clean shape of structure. So that's why I did not enter this trade. EURNZD, same thing. I did not enter this trade. USD trap, it did not give me a very clean step up structure and enter signal, so that's why I did not enter this trade. So yeah guys, that will be it for this week. I'm gonna end my week here. I'm probably not gonna trade, and right now it's Thursday and tomorrow is gonna be Friday, so I'm not really looking forward to trade unless I chase the market, but that's not our game plan. So I'm probably gonna stop trading and wait for next week. And so far, we are 2 for 2. And yeah, guys, that is it for today. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out.